Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of Behind the
Behind the
Drywall.
Drywall. Today we're actually in a commercial space. We don't talk a whole lot about the commercial work that we do, but we will do some commercial build outs, which is where we are right now. And the place is called Blue Diamond. And it's on Bitters and
1604.
1604. And they're just the coolest place. So their place where they're at right now is next door to where we're standing, and they just need a bigger place. And they buy and sell jewelry, handbags, estate things, lots of really cool
Yeah,
stuff.
really nice stuff that they have. So
so a lot of display cases and things like that.
So what we're doing right now, actually, we're building it out. So we're anticipating, we have these 3 offices that are kind of like their little private viewing rooms for when people bring stuff in and they want to view them. They have this real long display case. We're building a bunch of built-ins that are going to go on the wall over here that are actually going to display all of the purses that they have.
Let's take a tour.
We can take a tour. We have people here working right now, but they're taking a break for us.
So these are, please don't mind the mess. This is going to be cleaned up.
In the middle of construction.
In the middle of construction, and they took a break for us. So we've got 3 offices here, and this is where, like if you bring in estate jewelry or something and you want to have it assessed, it can be private, and that's what these 3 rooms are for. Did I get that right?
Yes, that is correct.
And what are they doing?
These are just actually what are called toe kicks for the bottom of cabinets. So they're cutting them, painting them right now. We have all these cabinets in here that we installed, the countertops installed already. So we refinished these cabinets, and then the big display case to go above, of course. And
it was a big deal for this specific type of countertop because of the etching and anything on there that would lay on the display case.
Right, we put quartz countertops on that are very durable, a specific version of a quartz because of etching, jewelry repair, chemicals that are used on that. So that we were very cognizant of the type of countertops we put on.
So if you come this way and you look right there, those are display cases, and they're drying right now, which is why they're upside down and they're drying. And this is where they'll have handbags and
mainly handbags,
like designer handbags, things like that.
Yeah.
And that is going to be installed above these cabinets here. But for now, they're drying.
Right. So then we have, if you notice, there's these little 4 walls right here, and these are actually workstations for employees. So this point beyond will be employee point, but the rest of this is all for clients.
Yes, and we've got some chandeliers that are going in, and we have some beautiful gooseneck lights that are going to be going in. There's kind of a wall mount. It's a little hard to sort of climb back in there, but that way it's a nice presentation, and it's inviting for people to come in, and it's just, they have room for people to be back here, people to be in here, and people to be working here all simultaneously. So that'll look really neat.
That'll look nice when we're done. We're probably about 4 weeks away from being completed, so we're getting real close.
And that's a big deal when you're in a business. You want it to move and go quick because you don't want any inconveniences and things like that. So next time on Behind the Drywall, we may be here, and then that way you'll get to see it. You can see a lot more of the floor and things that we put in. And these will be put up, and we'll have all of these display cases that are all along this wall. They're all going to be painted, and maybe a lot prettier than right now.
Yeah. Thanks for joining us, and I'm glad you could see this because we do commercial work as well.
Yeah, we do. And if you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, your family, your neighbors, and let them know about Virtuoso Builders. And we'll see you next time on Behind the Drywall.
Bye-bye.
Bye.